Heavy is the head that has to manage all of this.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel.
We're now incentivized to buy what we already buy.
Fumbling through college had me building.
I also got some done on the other side.
And that was right around, I would say, May, maybe, right before renewing the lease for this property.
Welcome to the channel, Martha.
Thank you for having me here.
Oh, I was going to say, I am getting up there in age, I'll tell you what.
Bills paid by other people, life was never this good. I had to step back.
Everyone, so today we're talking about stocks. I told you all week long we're going to be talking about stocks. And today I am talking about Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is down 11% in the last 5 years. Now, if anybody knows me, I always look at the 1 year, I always look at the 5 year before I invest in the company. And as you know, I just sold 3 stocks in my portfolio and just purchased 1 stock. So if you are interested in knowing what stock I purchased and what 3 companies I sold off, then definitely keep watching my videos, because I will tell you by the end of the week what stocks I ended up purchasing and what companies I ended up selling off. With that being said, I wrote some notes down on Dollar Tree on why they are not meeting expectations. I actually know it off the top of my head, but I want to read what I wrote down for you guys. So, Dollar Tree went from $173.05 to $84.45 at the time that I am making this video. Investors are saying that they should have taken a page out of Best Buy's book. So what Best Buy is basically saying that they've done is that in order to curb theft, high theft, Best Buy does not want to be known as a high theft store and a high theft location. So what they've done is that they've incorporated one entrance. So there's only one entrance to go in and out of the store. They've also hired more associates to walk the stores so that people are not just not being seen and doing whatever it is that they want. Best Buy has found this to be more cost effective than to not have these associates. Now, stores like Best Buy and Dollar Tree are not paying their associates $20 to $25 an hour. They're probably paying their associates more like $11 to $15 an hour, depending on what state you're in. I know New York's minimum wage is probably like $16 at this point. So Dollar Tree is probably looking at it and saying, you know what, we can't afford to hire more associates. In fact, we know that Dollar Tree runs on bones. They have like one person in there at the register, and they probably have one person in the back doing like pricing or adjustments and handling all of the logistics of the operation. So with that being said, Dollar Tree is also losing on operational costs. They're losing 20% despite more sales and consumer traffic. Due to lackluster performance, their stock has dropped more than 30%. You know what's so funny about this? I used to own a Family Dollar. So I used to own a percentage of a Family Dollar, and I would receive a dividend for my partial ownership in this Family Dollar. Over the years, I think I owned it for like 2 years, from like 22 years old to about 24 years old. I'm now 27, guys. So I used to love telling people that I owned a Family Dollar. I can no longer tell them that I own a portion of a Family Dollar. But I believe that Dollar Tree was trying to buy Family Dollar, or Family Dollar was trying to buy Dollar Tree at the time. And I thought that this was big business. This was big news. I thought that this was amazing. And if you look back at the stock market at that time, I was doing very, very well with my Family Dollar. And they were growing, they were looking to expand, and I owned that Family Dollar in Texas, by the way. I don't live in Texas, but I owned it all the way out in Texas, so that was like my first long distance investment, and I was so proud of myself, so happy with the investment as well. But as you can see, over the years, high theft, Operational cost is killing, okay? And they just don't know where to go from here. I cannot see Dollar Tree doing better. I just can't. If you can't already perform with operational costs, you're already a high theft store. You already have products that are supposed to be cheap. It's called Dollar Tree for a reason. Where do you go from here? And the reason Dollar Tree was on my list is because they pay a very, very high dividend. All right. Normally, companies that pay a high dividend are not doing very well. So let's see, what is the dividend that Dollar Tree pays? You would think with all my notes that I would already have this available to you. So it's now saying 2 days ago that Dollar Tree does not pay a dividend at this time. That is funny because I did see it on Robinhood and a few other apps that they do. So let's see. Dollar General pays 2.81% every $100 invested, blah, 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 blah. So I guess Dollar Tree no longer pays a dividend, and they shouldn't. They can't afford to do so. So they're going to lose more market share because of it. They're going to lose more people because of it, especially those who are only interested in dividend. They're going to lose that customer base, but they need to get back to profitability. They need to figure out a way to become more profitable. And most importantly, they need to change that name. They're not Costco. They can't keep selling dollar hot dogs and pizzas. They need to innovate and grow, and they need to change that name. Family Dollar, Dollar Tree. No, let's go with Family Tree. Let's change it all up because we cannot continue. And I say we as if I'm still a part of them. I'm no longer a part of them. But they cannot continue to operate like this and expect success. It just cannot happen. They need to be cheaper than their competitors, but they also need to be smarter. They need to be innovative. They need to advertise and start to show value. They might need to offer a membership. Well, that's all I can say to offer some advice. If they want to, hire me to be their media and advertising coordinator, I'd be more than happy to do so. But right now, they are in a sinking ship and they need a lot of help. They might need a new CEO. So, with that being said, I don't invest in the company. Therefore, I have no voting rights to Dollar Tree. But I will say anyone who is holding Dollar Tree right now definitely needs to start to look for a CEO if you really do believe in that company, because the CEO right now is not doing enough to get them to profitability. Now, if you like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You know I post every single day at 8 a.m. daily on YouTube, Rumble, and Spotify for podcasters, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.